Your message just left Zendesk, but did it actually land on your customer's phone? Without delivery webhooks, you have zero visibility into what happens next. And that blind spot is costing you. Sent and delivered are two completely different things. A message can leave Zendesk, fail at the carrier level, and you would never know. Carrier failures go undetected, offline phones delay delivery silently, and there's no alert when messages drop at the channel. Zendesk fires 3 delivery event types. First, delivery channel fires when the channel API, like WhatsApp or Twilio, accepts the message. Then, delivery user confirms it actually reached the customer's device, and delivery failure tells you exactly what went wrong. Not every channel can confirm delivery to the user. WhatsApp, Twilio SMS, and the native SDKs give you full confirmation, channel plus device. Channels like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and Line only confirm they accepted the message from Zendesk. The EES final event flag tells you which case you're in. Here's the full life cycle. The message leaves Zendesk, gets handed to the channel API, travels to the carrier, and finally lands on the customer's device. Each of those hops can fail silently, unless you're listening for the right webhook events. Step 1, head to Admin Center, then Apps and Integrations, then Webhooks. Click Create Webhook, give it a clear name like Message Delivery Tracker, paste in your HTTPS endpoint URL, and set the method to post with JSON format. Step 2, subscribe to all 3 delivery events. Select Delivery Channel, Delivery User, and Delivery Failure from the Event Subscription section. Save the webhook and copy the unique ID it gives you. You'll need it for testing. Step 3, lock it down. Any webhook without authentication is an open door. API key is the easiest option, just add a custom header. For extra protection, enable HMAC SHA-256 signature verification so you can confirm every payload genuinely came from Zendesk. Step 4, build your receiver. Your endpoint must use HTTPS, respond within 10 seconds, and return a 200 status. The key pattern, respond with 200 OK immediately, then process events asynchronously, and use Redis or a database to track event IDs so duplicates get dropped. Step 5, understand the payload. Every event has a unique ID for deduplication, a conversation ID, a message ID, and a destination type telling you which channel fired. The is final event field is the one to watch. When it's true, no more events are coming for that message. Step 6, test before you go live. Use Zendesk's built-in webhook tester to verify connectivity, then send a real message and watch your logs. Zendesk retries failed deliveries up to 5 times, and if your error rate hits 70%, the circuit breaker trips and pauses your webhook entirely. Building all of this takes real engineering time. Authentication, retries, idempotency, error handling, and then the actual business logic on top. eesel AI handles all of that out of the box. Connect Zendesk in minutes, get delivery tracking built in, and let the AI handle conversations end to end. No custom endpoints required. Skip the webhook plumbing and start shipping. eesel AI gives you AI-powered Zendesk messaging with delivery tracking included, zero infrastructure to manage. Try it free for 7 days, no credit card needed.